Hello! Mainit na panahon. Oh, may boss.
Assalamualaikum, kamusta?
Kamusta? Sobra init.
Mabuti.
Pagupit. Oh. Sobra init. Oh, tindahan, grocery.
Sorry.
We buy chips
Chips.
or Red Horse. Pulutan. Libre ni boss, ano? Oh, may boss. Ano bibilin mo? Oh, side ka na. Chips, no? Not bread, daw ka.
Oh, last time you buy, no, this one with
What is that?
what name?
Ding dong?
No, yeah, the last time you
Pork?
buy,
What?
yeah, last time you next market you buy, no?
What's that?
This you like, no? This one.
Nagaraya.
Ah,
Here na,
Yeah.
Heb. Nagaraya, boss, Heb, na? Nagaraya. Yeah, crap. Like, what you call this? No problem.
Come,
Come,
come.
come. Upar. Upar. Nagaraya there. I remember. Let's go, Upar. Galing pulutan. Order siya ng anim na. How many Red Horse? 6 pieces?
Yeah.
Anim na piraso. Libre ni boss, ni Pali Dipak.
Nagaraya.
Nagaraya isa natin. Dindong only. It's all Filipino food here.
Chips.
Oh, Nagaraya.
I also like, last time we had,
Hmm?
no? I also like.
Nothing. Maybe down. To check other grocery.
Mm,
Oh, good my hair.
nothing here.
Hmm?
Nothing here.
Now let's go down. Other grocery. Ay. Kainit. Taas na.
And this system.
Yan, Nagaraya? Nagaraya. Like a peanut cracker. Yeah. Hmm?
You have photo? You have photo?
No.
Maybe last time you taking enough photo. This Filipino photo.
Yeah, we check nothing. Chokra. Other grocery.
Go there, this.
Let's go. Going outside. Ito na naman.
Your video?
Yeah.
How video? Hello guys, come to Dubai, enjoy.
Abu Dhabi, not
Abu
Dubai.
Dhabi, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Khalifa City.
What's the other grocery?
Remove not cap. Cap remove very nice looking. See? Oh my God.
Too much white hair.
Take 5 dirham this black color and put. No problem. No need to wear, no need to.
Yeah, 20 dirham, no? He said,
Yeah,
small hair, little hair.
yeah.
Okay. Grocery again. Huh?
Yeah.
No, this bread, no? How come here?
Last time buy here, no?
Ito rin. Where? No, no Nagaraya. Here,
Mm.
Nagaraya. Yeah, that one spicy.
One piece na?
Two. Enough. No, there. No people. Show to the other supermarket.
Mm.
This one Nagaraya.
Nagaraya.
Let's go. Patayin ko muna. Ano naman. Ang init.